There's the original cart pretty much, and the shelf right there would normally be there. I turned it on its side. There's the blocks. Just enough space for about a ½ inch in there. And the blocks cover a large area, so it makes for a nice support. These things are pretty thin gauge steel, but there's not a lot of area for flex because the blocks cover so much area under there. And then here's the chains, so you get one bottle sit there, and around, so not a bad little cart. Got a little wiggle to it, but nothing major. I mean, it's kind of tall, so got a 100-pound total capacity. So I think we're pretty good. Time I put the 2 bottles on, and then the 2 tools will probably be right at the 100-pound payload on it. So I'll get him set up and put the 2 bottles and my MIG welder on there, and I'll take a picture of that.